Hi guys, today I'll be talking about Toyota Sienna. This is 2014. They're similar years. I'll show you how to reset maintenance require light. So first thing you want to do is go to on position, and then make sure when you click on this, when you keep clicking, this is odometer, you're on trip A. Once it's on trip A, you'll see this light maintenance require, and once it's on trip A, you go ahead and turn the key off. One turn, go here, hold this. While you're holding this, press this and hold this, and turn your key. So while you're holding that button, push down, you turn your key to on position. You see that light blinking right there? Once it disappeared, you can now let go, and that's how you reset maintenance require light. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet, and if you have any questions, comment below, and I'll see you on the next one.